All right, guys. Good morning once again. Actually, I think it's noon now. We're going to go and check the batteries here in a second just for fun, see where they're at the moment. Right now it's noon again, still clear blue skies, beautiful weather today. Chilly, but the sun is out, which is nice, and the snow is all melted, which is also nice. The solar panels, as you can see, are looking good, getting plenty of sun. I do need to get more solar panels, not for the summertime, but obviously for winter, to make sure that we can get as much saved up as far as that goes. So we're going to go in here real quick and we're going to talk about the latest thing that's been going on, and I'll share some information with you guys that's been going on here. Okay, so last time we were in here, it was at 72%, I believe, and now we are up to 80% and charging, which is awesome. So that's a good deal. Happy about that. So that's all looking very good. And so the batteries are in really good shape, which is what we want to see happening there. All right, excuse me. So the battery should top out today. We should get up over 100%, which would be great. And then it'll just be in absorption mode after that. So we should have at least 4 more hours of sunshine before the sun starts going down and getting to that point. Okay, so let's talk about drones, right? A lot of talk about these drones off the East Coast being seen for the last month. Over in New Jersey, some of the drones are saying as big as an SUV. There was a person in the government came out and said they were from Iran and that there's a mothership, off the East Coast, and these drones have been flying, these missions, and it's technology that we haven't seen. And I have a hard time believing that Iran has that kind of technology to be able to do those type of things. And so real hard time believing that. But where are the drones from? Who's got the technology? What are they doing, and all this type of stuff? Now I will tell you, here on the homestead, I've definitely seen drones out here as well. All right, Steve has said a lot of times when he comes home from work, there's drones all the time in this area, and so he's seeing the drones all the time. And so who knows what's going on with that part of it, I mean, it's just, why is there drones out here? What are they looking for? What are they trying to figure out? And all those type of things. So here comes Miss Hella. What are you doing, baby? She's giving the puppies more time now. Puppies are sleeping a lot. They're doing well. I'm giving her a tremendous amount of extra protein, so that she has a lot of, energy and stuff like that. I've been doing that for her, and I'm going to continue to do that for her. Make sure that she's in good shape. But she's doing real well. So, and the puppies are awesome. They're growing really well. A couple of them are looking like they're bigger than the other ones now, which I knew would happen with them. So that's kind of neat as well. So we're going to have to see as they come into their own. Next Tuesday will be, they'll be 2 weeks old next Tuesday. So they're just, today's Thursday. The puppies are 9 days old. So we'll see where that all pans out and how they're doing. But that's one of the reasons why I need to get the wuss layer squared away, because once they get moving and grooving and their eyes are open and they're moving around a lot more, and she stops eating all their poop, they'll be pooping all over the place. And so I obviously don't want that in the camper. Once they've been transferred out of the camper and into the battery room, Hella will be getting a new bed. I was not buying a new bed now, just to put it perfectly clear. Everybody can think whatever they want to think is fine. I'm going to be buying Hella. That was the biggest bed that they had, the one that she was in there now, okay? She will be getting a new bed. That other bed will be burned on a burning pile, and that'll be the end of that bed. So right now, It's serving the purpose that it needs to. I did put a towel down over everything for the puppies, and so they're, like I said, they're doing just fine. And you guys can have whatever judgments you want. You can say whatever you want. Here's the bottom line: my dog, my puppies, I'll do what I want with them. Okay, so that's fine. All right, we'll just leave that at that. But everybody's in good shape. Everybody's healthy. She's healthy. You can see, she's doing very, very well. And so, like I said, she's getting more than enough protein. I'm making sure that she has all kinds of extra food, water, so that she needs to do what she needs to do. But anyway, going back with these drones. If the government's not talking about it, and now all of a sudden a month later, now it's in the news, I find it very interesting. I wonder where this is going to lead, what is going on with that. I'm not going to speculate, folks. I'm not going to say it's aliens and it's an ocean base or any of those type of things. I have no idea. But I find it interesting that the government is not doing something about it at this point. If they feel like, why are these drones, going over military bases? It's just like the spy balloon, guys. Remember the spy balloon? They waited till the stupid thing flew over the entire country before they took it down. So all the information, and that was, they were saying that was from China, right? That was the information that we were given. And, we waited until it flew over the whole country, and all that data and information was shipped back to wherever it was shipped back to. And then they finally shot the thing down, which makes no sense to me either. A lot of crazy stuff going on. My opinion is this: you need to continue to prep. You need to continue to get ready. Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows what's going to go on? Be as ready as you possibly can be. When the time comes, you got to do what you got to do. And the more prepared you are, and the better off you're going to be able to handle whatever's coming. That's my opinion for everybody. You can take it, you can leave it, you can do whatever you want with it. That's perfectly fine. We're going to continue to do what we need to do down here and get things as squared away as we possibly can. And when the time comes, we're going to do what we have to do. That's the bottom line. And, we're going to watch out for each other. That's been the game plan since the very beginning. With everybody getting their stuff squared away down here, I think it's really important. That's why we've been pushing this last several months of people just focusing on their buildings. So anyway, guys, I am going to jump off. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Please be safe. Keep prepping. Definitely would like to hear your feedback on these drones. What do you think? All right? I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.